Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Tara's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I'm going to show you on how to make breakfast potatoes in a very simple way. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. By the way, these breakfast potatoes are so delicious and so perfect for your breakfast. So you'll take 2 large potatoes, then you're going to cut them into small pieces as shown in this video. After you have cut your potatoes, you're going to transfer them in a pot and boil them until they are well cooked. Your potatoes should be as shown in this video. Make sure they are not overcooked. Then you're going to strain all the water and set your potatoes aside. So in a different pan, you're going to heat some 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. You can either use butter or olive oil. Then you're going to fry in some onions. I've used 1 large white onion. You're going to saute that for a while. After that, you are going to add in some salt to taste and paprika powder, and you can also add spices of your choice like garam masala or even black pepper. You're going to saute that for about 1 minute. Then you're going to add in your boiled potatoes. You'll then add in your boiled potatoes. Then you're going to give it a stir until the onions and the potatoes are well combined. You'll keep on flipping them until they have that crispy coating on the outside. Then lastly, you're going to add some fresh coriander leaves and give it a good mix as shown in this video. Guys, thank you so much for the support you have shown me on my previous videos. I don't take you for granted, and for that reason, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. And just like that, our potatoes are ready for breakfast. As you can see, they turned out so delicious. And kindly try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. And don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share with others so that they can do this recipe at the comfort of their home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.